Foshan Shunde Tucson Sanitary Ware Company, Limited was established in early 2012, is a collection of research and development, design, production, sales of various types of concealed water tanks, wall-mounted water tanks, and water inlet valves, drain valves and other accessories for the integration of the concealed water tank industry. Professional companies. The factory covers an area of more than 8,000 square meters, with 12 production lines, large injection molding machines and all kinds of related testing equipment. Tucson design team has 8 top engineers who can provide OEM or OBM service and deeper ODM service as early as possible, which can fully meet your needs. Tucson has 12 production lines for concealed water tanks and 200 excellent production team. The production of wall-mounted concealed water tanks can be up to 6,000 sets per day, and the monthly production volume can be more than 200,000 sets. During the production process and before shipment, each of our products undergoes a very strict professional inspection, from the production of accessories to the testing of the finished assembly to ensure the best quality of the products. This is not only helpful for us to control the quality from the parts, but also for us to control the whole production cost in order to increase the advantage of our products in the market competition. Tucson has always been committed to the continuous improvement of the quality of life through innovative bathroom solutions as its own vision, representing China's extraordinary craftsmanship bathroom concealed cistern technology into the world's thousands of homes and buildings. Thanks for your listening and watching. We firmly believe that only by providing excellent quality can we win customers' trust and long-term cooperation.